Guava, a true superfruit, a real treasure of nature. When it comes to vitamin C, most people immediately think of oranges. But the shocking truth is that by weight, guava contains 4 times more vitamin C than oranges. Hard to believe, right? And that amazing fact is just the beginning. Beyond that, guava is rich in vitamin A, potassium, fiber, and powerful antioxidants that strengthen the immune system, protect the heart, support digestion, and keep the skin youthful. From the ancient Aztec and Maya cultures to modern scientific studies, guava has been praised as one of nature's most precious gifts. Today, science has confirmed what folk medicine has long known. Guava is not only delicious but also an extraordinary natural remedy. Whether you find it at a traditional market or a modern supermarket, remember that you're holding in your hand a compact, easy to find natural medicine cabinet packed with value. If you're surprised to learn that guava has 4 times the vitamin C of oranges, drop a number. 1 inch the comments so we can explore more of this superfruit's amazing secrets together. Relieves menstrual cramps. That's right, it's guava leaves. Long used in folk medicine to relieve menstrual cramps. And now modern science has confirmed their effectiveness. A study on nearly 200 women showed that dried guava leaf extract works as effectively as common painkillers, but in a safer and more natural way. Guava leaves are rich in flavonoids and tannins, which help relax the smooth muscles of the uterus, ease spasms, and reduce the discomfort of painful cramps during sensitive days. The best part is that you can apply this remedy at home easily. Simply pick about 5 to 7 young guava leaves. Wash them thoroughly. Steep in 200 milliliters of boiling water for around 10 minutes. And drink warm a few days before your period or during days with symptoms. The light astringent taste of guava leaves quickly brings relief while also providing antioxidants that help the body stay balanced during this phase. No worries about side effects like pharmaceutical drugs, and no high cost. Just a few familiar guava leaves can become a valuable natural therapy to help women get through difficult days more comfortably. If you're surprised by this amazing benefit of guava leaves, comment with the number 1 and I'll share more hidden secrets from this familiar plant. Guava has long been seen as a simple, everyday fruit. Easy to find, yet carrying remarkable power in protecting the heart and cardiovascular system. Many studies have shown that guava is packed with dietary fiber, abundant potassium, and a wide range of powerful antioxidants, all working together as a natural shield to prevent and improve heart-related problems. The fiber in guava plays a key role in reducing the absorption of bad LDL cholesterol in the intestines, helping to prevent atherosclerosis, while at the same time raising good HDL cholesterol to maintain the body's essential balance. Potassium in guava helps regulate blood pressure by relaxing blood vessels, improving circulation, and reducing strain on the heart, especially valuable for those at high risk of hypertension. In addition, antioxidants such as vitamin C, flavonoids, and carotenoids help neutralize free radicals, protect vessel walls from damage, prevent plaque buildup, and reduce the risk of stroke and heart attack. On top of that, guava is low in calories but rich in fiber, helping you feel full longer and supporting weight control, a key factor in maintaining a healthy heart. Using guava to support heart health is incredibly simple. You can eat 1 to 2 fresh guavas daily, making sure to wash them thoroughly and even eat the skin to maximize nutrients. You can also juice guava, drink it unsweetened, or combine it with other fruits for added flavor. Regularly adding guava to your diet not only pleases the taste buds but also provides a sustainable step toward protecting your heart. If you're surprised that such a familiar fruit has such powerful benefits for cardiovascular care, comment with the number 1 and I'll share more amazing ways guava can support your overall health. Stabilizes blood sugar. Guava has long been considered a simple, familiar fruit. Yet, it holds remarkable power in protecting the heart and cardiovascular system. Many studies show that guava is rich in fiber, abundant in potassium, and packed with powerful antioxidants, all working together as a natural shield to prevent and improve heart-related conditions. Fiber in guava plays a key role in reducing the absorption of bad LDL cholesterol in the intestine, helping to prevent atherosclerosis, while also boosting good HDL cholesterol to maintain a healthy balance in the body. Potassium helps regulate blood pressure by relaxing blood vessels, improving circulation, and reducing the strain on the heart, especially beneficial for those at higher risk of hypertension. In addition, antioxidants such as vitamin C, flavonoids, and carotenoids help neutralize free radicals, protect blood vessel walls from damage, prevent plaque buildup, and lower the risk of stroke or heart attack. On top of that, guava is low in calories but high in fiber, helping you feel full for longer and supporting weight control, an essential factor in maintaining a strong heart. Using guava to support cardiovascular health is extremely simple. Eat 1 to 2 fresh guavas daily, making sure to wash them well and, if possible, eat the skin to maximize nutrients. You can also juice guava, drink it unsweetened, or mix it with other fruits for a more flavorful option. Regularly adding guava to your diet not only makes meals more enjoyable, but also provides a sustainable way to protect heart health. If you're surprised that such a common fruit can be so powerful in caring for the heart, comment with the number 1 and I'll share even more amazing benefits of guava for overall health. Good for digestion. Guava is not only a sweet, refreshing fruit but also a close friend of the digestive system. Ripe guava is rich in dietary fiber, an essential component that improves bowel movement, prevents constipation, and supports a healthy gut microbiome. By eating just 1 to 2 guavas a day, you provide your body with the minimum daily fiber requirement, helping cleanse the digestive tract and keeping it running smoothly. Beyond the fruit itself, guava leaves have long been used in folk medicine as an effective remedy against digestive disorders, especially diarrhea. They contain tannins and flavonoids with antibacterial properties that inhibit the growth of harmful gut bacteria while tightening the intestinal lining to reduce loose stools. The method is simple. Take about 5 to 7 young guava leaves. Wash them thoroughly. Steep them in 200 milliliters of boiling water for 10 minutes. And drink warm twice a day. You'll notice clear improvement in symptoms. This means guava and its leaves can be a reliable choice whether you need fiber to prevent constipation or a natural solution to stop diarrhea. A humble fruit that can balance two opposite digestive conditions, that's what makes guava highly valued in both traditional medicine and modern science. If you're surprised that guava can fight both constipation and diarrhea, comment with the number 1 and I'll share even more fascinating secrets about this fruit. Arthritis and osteoarthritis. Arthritis and osteoarthritis are common conditions that cause many people to suffer from persistent pain and limited mobility. But few realize that guava leaves can serve as an effective natural remedy. Guava leaves contain flavonoids and tannins with strong anti-inflammatory properties that help reduce swelling and pain in the joints, while also acting as a natural analgesic without the side effects of conventional medication. For centuries, folk medicine has used guava leaf decoctions both internally as a drink to support the body and externally as a warm compress applied to painful joints. The method is simple and easy to follow. Take 10 to 15 fresh guava leaves, wash them thoroughly, and boil them in 500 milliliters of water for about 15 minutes. Strain the liquid and drink warm 1 to 2 times daily to both cleanse the body and ease discomfort. You can also use the same decoction externally. Soak a clean cloth in the warm liquid and apply it to the affected joint for 15 to 20 minutes with daily practice. Noticeable relief can be achieved. Laboratory studies further suggest that guava leaf extract may protect cartilage from degeneration, opening up a safe and long-term supportive approach for joint care. No need for costly treatments, just a handful of familiar guava leaves from your garden can bring comfort to your arms and legs. If you'd like to try a natural method for effective joint pain relief, comment with the number 1 and I'll continue sharing more applications of guava leaves for bone and joint health. E. Slowing down premature aging. Skin aging often begins quietly, long before the first wrinkles appear, as free radicals constantly attack and weaken the skin structure. Guava, especially the leaves, is loaded with antioxidants like vitamin C, flavonoids, and carotenoids that neutralize free radicals, protect cells, and slow down the aging process. Vitamin C also plays a vital role in collagen production, the protein that keeps skin firm and elastic. Eating guava regularly or using guava leaf extract helps shield the skin against everyday stressors such as pollution, UV rays, and work-related stress. That's why many experts recommend making guava part of your diet to preserve youthful, radiant skin from within. R. Smoothing fine lines and wrinkles. Wrinkles are the most visible sign of aging, forming as collagen and elastin break down, leaving skin less plump and smooth. Thanks to its abundance of vitamin C and polyphenols, guava stimulates collagen renewal, improving elasticity and slowing the formation of new lines. Its antioxidants also protect existing collagen fibers from damage caused by UV rays and free radicals. Enjoying fresh guava daily not only boosts your vitamin intake but also provides natural hydration and fiber to keep skin supple and glowing. It's a safe, natural way to support long-term skin health, helping you smile with confidence without worrying about early wrinkles and clearing acne-prone skin. Acne appears when pores are clogged with oil, dirt, and bacteria, triggering inflammation. Guava leaves have powerful antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties that cleanse the skin, fight acne-causing bacteria, and reduce redness. They also have a natural astringent effect, shrinking pores, controlling excess oil, and helping prevent future breakup. Some studies even show guava leaf extract can inhibit Propionibacterium acnes, the main culprit behind acne, used alongside a consistent skincare routine. Guava leaves support cleansing, healing, and brightening the skin, making them a simple, natural solution for clearer skin at any age. So, soothing irritated or inflamed skin. Conditions like eczema, rashes, or allergic dermatitis often cause persistent redness, itching, and discomfort. The tannins and flavonoids in guava leaves act as natural anti-inflammatory and antibacterial agents, calming flare-ups, reducing irritation, and supporting recovery. Research also shows guava leaf extract can block inflammatory triggers on the skin, making it a safe alternative with fewer side effects than many chemical creams. How to use? Take a handful of fresh guava leaves, wash them, and boil them in about 1 liter of water for 15 minutes. Let the water cool slightly. Then use it to rinse the affected area or soak it for 10-15 minutes daily. With regular use, the skin feels calmer, less itchy, and heals more quickly. How to use and safety tips. Guava can be enjoyed in many simple ways. Eat 1 to 2 fresh ripe fruits daily, washed thoroughly and with the skin on for maximum nutrients. Or turn it into juice or smoothies without added sugar. Guava leaves can be steeped into tea by boiling 5 to 7 young leaves in hot water for about 10 minutes and drinking while warm. For external use, guava leaf decoction can be applied as a rinse or compress to soothe skin and joints. While guava fruit is generally safe, guava leaf tea or extracts should be used with moderation. Drinking more than 2 cups of strong guava leaf tea a day may cause stomach discomfort or nausea in sensitive individuals. People with known allergies to guava should avoid it. Pregnant and breastfeeding women are advised to limit guava leaves to culinary use only, as safety data is still limited. If you are on medication for diabetes, high blood pressure, or blood thinning, consult your doctor first, since guava leaves may enhance drug effects and cause imbalances. Always remember, natural remedies work best when used wisely. Start with small amounts, observe how your body responds, and use guava as a supportive companion, not a substitute for prescribed treatment.